हेलो एवरीवन. सो मार्केट क्या लगता है वीकली एपिसोड. टुडे इज सैटरडे 8th of July and we are here to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty, how they are poised for the coming week. So guys, last week we had taken a review about market is ready to book some profit and we had set some targets. So from those targets, one of the target in Nifty and both the targets in Bank Nifty, they got completed, and from those levels we have got a reversal. I would say just we got lucky in Bank Nifty that the target got completed exactly at that point in time and price couldn't sustain at those levels, and now we are trading much below that. So this is just a first step of this correction and we need certain follow-up on a Monday so as to continue this kind of a profit booking. Now there are 2-3 tricky scenarios as well, so I will just share with you my expectation about how I'm expecting market to behave, and if the market gives confirmation in that prescribed manner, so we are probably getting this trade right. So both the indices, Nifty made a high somewhere here at about 19,523, and from those levels we have gone down 523, so 523 to 324. It's about 200 point correction so far, 200 point drop from the top. And for Bank Nifty, it's about 45,655 is the high, and from those levels we are currently trading at 44,952. So that's about, you can say, 700 points from the top, 750 points from the top. Okay, so let us go to individual chart of Nifty. And on this individual chart, this is an hourly chart. See guys, understand from the Dow theory standpoint where we are. As per Dow theory, this is the last point where we have got a Dow theory confirmation. So as per this, if unless and until this low is taken out, we cannot say that the Dow theory is now changing, and this is because of such a massive euphoric rally on this hourly time frame. Now what also can happen in between is that, let's say if we have a bottom here, some bounce, and if that bounce afterwards again turned into a correction, so once this level is taken out, then we can say now that the trend has changed for this particular phase. But ultimately the bullish trend will change only and only when we break below this level of 18,600. So at this point in time, looking at the VIX, the volatility during the fall as well, it was dropping. So this is kind of a little strange sign, and this is not giving me a confidence as yet that it has begun with the correction. So signs are saying that we have started to book profit, but yes, let the time tell us. Let us get some kind of a confirmation on hourly time frame, or maybe with some different method. Let's say a candlestick, even if we take a look at the daily time frame. So the kind of confirmation that we need is that after this bearish candle, we need a follow-up to this candle, okay, which will tell us that now the trend is in a way going in our expected direction. This is what I'm expecting. So target, so to speak, in this particular week for Nifty, if at all we are looking at that scenario, it can go to, let's say, 19,000. From these levels we can expect the Nifty again go and revisit this level of 19,400, and from there we can see a low of probably 19,200 odd level. This is what the expectation is. So let me just draw on a 15-minute. It is easier for us to calculate target. See, this is the first leg of the fall, then the bounce, and then the second leg of fall. So if we plot a Fibonacci tool from this high to this low, then the target comes to 19,235. This is what the target for this week can be. Okay, and the bounce, as I mentioned, can be up till 440 odd level. So this is where the bounce is possible. So we should see some action in between this. If at all we break below this 19,235 quickly, then we may see 19,100 or 19,000 odd level during this period. But it has to break the support levels in a very euphoric manner. That's what is not happening in this particular trend. So far the trend is absolutely bullish. So we'll not expect a sudden dump in the prices, right? So we'll give trend some time to develop and to get established. So till the time we will trade whatever we are seeing. As for Bank Nifty, the trend is already in a direction scenario. This was one of the target that we had calculated using the sideways flag. So that sideways flag target of 45,652 was our target, and the high that was made was 655. So I got lucky at that point in time. So the next target, if we want to calculate, it can be in a simple using this Fibonacci tool. So the target that comes into my mind is as per Fibonacci, not in my mind. It is as per the Fibonacci. The target comes to 44,665. 44,665, and the second target is 44,434. So these are the two targets that I'm looking for. Let some time go. Slowly, gradually, we are going to get SAP as well in this weekend. Over the weekend on Friday, we are going to get the SAP. So we are in a way waiting for that confirmation, and once we get a directional move on the basis of SAP, then we should get probably 700 to 800 points in Nifty and about 2000 to 2500 points in case of Bank Nifty. I'll make a separate video on SAP probably in these 2 days, so everyone will be prepared. And I'm planning to do a 5-year back testing. 5-year, we'll just look back into 5 years period. So we'll be looking at the 10 SAP period and how that SAP has performed. So that will be a detailed video on SAP, which will be helpful to all of you. So let's hope for the best. That's it from me for this small video analysis on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Do let me know in comment box how do you think about the video and the analysis part. Thank you so much. Bye bye.